Are you suffering from alopecia? Are your hair strands weak? Does your hair break at the slightest touch? If all these things pertain to you, then this video is meant for you. Hi family, welcome back to the channel. So today I will be teaching you how to do a very simple hair conditioner, deep conditioner, using some ingredients in your kitchen. The first ingredient is your egg, second ingredient is your honey, third ingredient is mayonnaise, fourth ingredient is your hair growth oil, a fifth ingredient is actually avocado, but in this process I didn't use an avocado, but if you do have avocado, kindly add. All measurements are subject to individual's preference or the volume of your hair, so you might not need to follow the measurement I used for this video. After adding all the ingredients, make sure you mix everything together thoroughly. If you have a whisk, you can try using a whisk. If you do not have a whisk, make sure you use a spoon or a fork, and make sure your ingredients are well mixed together. This is what the mixture should look like when you are done mixing. I actually tried this deep conditioning treatment for a client who was battling with alopecia and intense hair breakage. So in this particular video, we had done this this deep conditioning treatment for about a month, and from the look of things, it has really helped because now her hair is stronger, is firmer, it doesn't break as much as it used to, and now she retains length more than she used to before. If you have been battling with intense breakage, weak hair strands, then this protein treatment is the best treatment for you. Protein treatment helps to enhance elasticity, it helps strengthen your hair strands, it makes your hair soft, it adds shine to your hair strands. After applying the treatment, make sure to massage your scalp intensely.